Legs tight. Breath. Pull back. Hold in. We're on top. Breathe. Drop the shoulders. Keep the chest relaxed. Breathe. Press out with the abs. Clench the glutes. Breathe. Make sure you're getting enough air back in. Breathe. Drop those shoulders. Squeeze the abs and glutes. Breathe. Max intensity on that lower body. Breathe. You're almost there. And terminate, terminate, terminate. Hold the strain. Hold the strain. And relax.
On top. Breathe. 1, 2, breathe. Legs. Butt. Breathe. 1, 2, breathe. Looking good. Work it out. Breathe. 1, 2, breathe. Release the stick. Release the stick. Keep training. Good work.